Smarter factories start with better control. As a leading provider of motion control and HMI solutions, we enable reliable automation across manufacturing, logistics, robotics, and new energy industries. Built for industrial environments, our solutions combine performance, stability, and global compliance. Power your digital transformation with Kinco. F2 series, built for digital factories and advanced equipment. Powerful, stable, built for massive data. 7 to 15.6 inches, flexible touch options, smart configuration, remote access, multi-language support, IP65 protection, wide temperature range, CE and UL certified, most importantly, ready for global industrial standard. The G2 series, versatile HMI for industrial automation. Stable performance with clear display and smooth touch. Multiple interfaces, Wi-Fi, 4G options, and broad PLC compatibility. The GL2 series, entry-level HMI for cost-efficient automation. Stable performance with practical functionality for general equipment. Supports M-IoT for remote monitoring and maintenance. Compact, easy to install, and easy to maintain. A reliable choice for basic automation systems. Kinco also provides customized HMI solutions for specialized industries. AMR series for AGVs and compact system with space-saving embedded design. SZ series for mobile machinery with safe handheld control. Waterproof HMIs for harsh and humid environments. MK series with integrated HMI+PLC design for simplified systems. For robots to energy and manufacturing, Kinco HMI fits diverse industrial applications. Powered by Kinco DToolsPro software, support electronic signature, data traceability, remote monitoring, and multi-screen collaboration. For more product details, feel free to contact us.